Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 30-foot 50-amp 125/250-volt RV generator power cord is an essential accessory for any RV enthusiast looking to ensure a seamless power supply while on the road or at campsites. This product stands out due to its durability, flexibility, and overall design, making it a reliable choice for connecting your RV to a generator or electrical outlet. One of the most notable features of this power cord is its impressive length of 30 feet. This extended reach allows for versatile setups, accommodating various distances between your RV and the power source. Whether parked at a crowded campground or a remote location, the 30-foot length provides convenience and flexibility, eliminating the need for additional cords. The construction of the cord itself is robust, with a heavy-duty design that is both weather-resistant and able to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The 6-gauge wire ensures minimal power loss, allowing for efficient energy transfer to your RV, which is crucial for powering appliances and electronics. Moreover, the strain relief at both ends of the cord minimizes wear and tear, extending its lifespan significantly. Another aspect worth mentioning is the ease of use. The 14-50P plug is designed for a secure and snug connection, preventing accidental disconnections. The ergonomic handles facilitate easy plugging and unplugging, even in tight spaces. Additionally, the bright yellow color enhances visibility, reducing the risk of tripping over the cord in low-light conditions. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment RV Generator Power Cord is a reliable and practical choice for RV owners. Its combination of durability, flexibility, and user-friendly design makes it an indispensable tool for anyone who relies on external power for their recreational vehicle. Whether for a weekend getaway or an extended trip, this power cord will ensure you have a reliable source of electricity wherever the journey takes you.